Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to like someone's photos on Hinge dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hinge dating application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now, after logging into your account, you will directly be shown various different profiles that you can start matching with. Now, from the home page, you can start scrolling through their profiles and you will see various different pictures that they have uploaded. You can simply tap on the heart icon alongside each picture and you will either be able to send a like, and you can also add a comment if you wish to do so by tapping on add a comment section. After you send a like to this photo, the user will be notified that you have liked that particular picture, and you can scroll down and tap on the heart icon with any number of pictures for this profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to like someone's photos on Hinge. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.